Welcome back to the Teacher's Tech Bar. We're going to talk about how to use the MUTATE function. And what that means is we're going to talk about how to make a new variable. So we have our data frame here, the Rivers Girls varsity basketball player data frame. And as we saw before, we used this field goal percentage. Okay, and you can see that these percentages are actually listed as proportions because they're from 0 to 1. And it might be easier for an audience to see something as 33% as opposed to 0.33. So we're going to need to create a new column so that essentially what we're going to do is take this 1 and multiply it by 100. Take 0.33, multiply it by 100, and do that for every single row, every little item underneath the field goal percentage. So let's give this new data frame a name, and I'm going to call it, I'm actually going to take this data frame we created earlier and then just add in the new variable that we create. So we'll go RGVB underscore small. Wrong one. That's okay. Small. Good. All right. And then we're going to, so again, I'm going to give it the same name, but I'm just going to add in this variable. So I got to tell the computer, all right, take that data set that's already named. Gosh, you start typing this RGVB over and over again, it's like, it plays games with you. You can see I'm typing it wrong over and over. And so we're going to take that data set, RGVB underscore small, and then we're going to use the MUTATE function, MUTATE, okay? And this is where we have to give our new variable a name. So the new variable's name is going to be FG underscore percent, okay? And that is going to be equal to, as we talked about before, taking the field goal FG underscore per variable, FG underscore per, and multiplying it by 100. Okay, and then we'll print this out, RGVB underscore small, and we'll run all this so that you can see now our data frame, instead of just having the name, result, and field goal per, like we did before, we're going to have the name, result, field goal per, and then that converted field goal per to, which is named field goal percentage. So we can see 33, 68.8, etc. Okay, so that's how you use the MUTATE function to create a new variable. We still got more wrangling to do, so come back to the last video in this series to learn how to group certain categories.